Hey, what you got there?
It's a very special remote, actually.
Can I have it?
No, it costs some money.
How much?
A lot of money. I don't think you have that much money.
Well, can I borrow it?
No, you cannot borrow it.
Can I see it?
Yeah, you can see it.
Okay.
Don't take it.
I promise I won't take it.
Yeah.
Okay.
What'd you just press?
The sleep button.
How long did you set it for?
Look below you.
Do you know what that's gonna do to me?
And who knows how long you'll be gone.
You know what that's gonna do to me, man? Get it off!
Oh man, I really want to get that football, but I'm too lazy. What if I press this fast forward button? I bet you I can get that football in less than 2 seconds.
Never gonna do that again.
But it was fun. Yep. I wonder what this button does.
Oh, I got diabetes.
What the crap?
Big screen. Wait, no.
Oh crap.
Dude, did you watch American Idol last night?
No, I didn't watch American Idol last night.
It was awesome. It was absolutely awesome.
Oh, that's what you get for watching a stupid show like that.
Dude, I'm telling you, it was awesome. It was so cool.
This show is awesome. I can make little kids come out of nowhere and punch this guy like whatever. Ah, new day. Ah, crap. I hate tying up my shoes. Fast forward through it. Hey, Will. Hey, Trey. What you doing?
I'm making a movie here.
What did you say, Will? I don't know, but it will change that.
Hello? What am I saying? There's no one there. Well, there is, but not as I speak, so to speak. I know later, sometime in the indefinite future, someone will ring, someone like yourself. I shouldn't say someone like yourself. I mean, in point of fact, you, yourself. Tell you what, I'll stop talking now so that you can begin. Please, after you. Hello, are you calling me? Sure, I'm just after leaving the house, or taking another call, or I'm in the tub, or answering a call to nature. It's not in my nature to leave you without a word, so here's your chance. Put in your 2 cents, and we'll return your call as soon as ever we can. Bless you. I beg your pardon? Do you dare accost me in this manner? Am I the object of this brazen overture? Then kindly confine your remarks to a brief message, to commence as soon as you shall hear the tone. Good day.
I'll be back.
I saw Will sitting in the bar, looking very suspicious. I decided to sit down and see what's going on. I asked who was Rick, so I'm going to sit down. I asked him what it was.
Just asked me a question, but I'm not sure what it was.
You saw what? I was a little mad. I didn't care. I just asked him again. Why are you leaving?
He repeated himself, but I'm not comprehending.
No, I'm not getting what you're saying here. No, I'm mad. I thought it was stupid, but I didn't want to know that. So I said, you're stupid.
He just called me a name, and I didn't appreciate it very much.
I don't like you anymore, just because you have a mess. Okay, now I'm ticked. That's how I'm going to take the pepper from him. Follow it out. Send him in the face unexpected. You're retarded.